How to review your games on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review your games on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click this three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now click this one, activity log, and then click here, profile information, and then games, and here you can review your games on Facebook Mobile. And that's how to review your games on Facebook Mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.